everybody and welcome to Arabic with Amina. In today's lesson, we are going to be learning how to introduce ourselves in Arabic. First off, we're going to start with a greeting. We could say hello or marhaban, or we could say the Islamic greeting, which is very common in the Middle East. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. Secondly, we're going to state what our name is. How can we introduce ourselves without mentioning our name? So we're going to say ismi and fill in the blank with your own name. For me, it'd be ismi Amina. Third off, we're going to say how old we are. Fill in the blank with the number of your age. If you're not familiar with the Arabic numbers, check out our video on that topic. We can say umri blank sana, or we can say umri blank alman. Both sana and aman are years. Then we're going to say where we are from. Fill in the blank with the name of the country you are from. Ana min blank. If you're from America, you could say Ana min Amerika. If you're from India, you could say Ana min al-Hind. And if you're from Denmark, you can say Ana min al-Denmark. What are your hobbies? We're going to say that I like and then mention our hobby in the blank. So if we like drawing, we could say أحب الرسم. If we like reading, we could say أحب القراءة. If we like cooking, we could say أحب الطباخة. And if we like swimming, we could say أحب السباحة. Wrap it up with letting them know how nice it was to meet them. سررت بلقائك. It was nice meeting you. So putting it all together, this is how we introduce ourselves in Arabic. We start off with a greeting, marhaban, or assalamu alaikum. Saying our name, ismi. Mentioning our age, umri blank sana. Stating where we are from, ana min. Mentioning our hobbies, uhibbu. And then letting them know how nice it was to meet them. سررت بلقائك. So here's an example of how to introduce yourself. مرحبا اسمي أمينة عمري 22 سنة أنا من أمريكا أحب القراءة سررت بلقائك. And that's a short video for introducing yourself in Arabic. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe for more videos. Make sure to like, share, and introduce yourself below in the comments. Thank you. See you next time. Arabic with Amina.